Hello, my magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good. You are wonderful wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is your extended love reading for Feb 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals, Aquarius. A very happy birthday to all of you, Aquarius, who are having birthdays. Okay, you can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. And let's see what are the messages, what are the extended readings which I am having for you. So I have already uploaded your main reading. In your main reading, I have already told you that there is someone from your past. Okay, you both know each other. This is a connection. Okay, High Priestess is here. You are using your intuitions because you are getting transformed, Aquarius. There is a lot of downloads which is happening for you. There is a lot of blessings from ancestors and your angels which you are receiving right now. There is a guardian angel which is there with you. Okay, you are doing your soul searching, you are doing your healing because you're taking the energy of hermit. Okay, you are looking answers from within yourself, but there is someone from your past here. This is not a new energy, this is someone from your past. Six of Cups, with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, you both know each other, and here I was having some kind of number synchronicities, which is 6, and there is 6, and there was one more 6. Okay, bottom of the deck I was having 6. You can check out that video too. Okay, but there were some kind of hidden emotions. Okay, maybe this person was unaware of their own emotions. Okay, there were some hidden secrets or hidden emotions which was hidden from this person. But there is a world card here, which means that you both are completing a karmic cycle. There is a completion of a cycle, there is closing out a cycle, and there is a new cycle which is going on, which is going to start between you and this person. You are keeping your strength here. Okay, the strength card is here, but whatever this situation was happening, there is a death card here. Okay, that means that the situation is going to end and there is new beginning which is going to start. Death and rebirth. Okay, something has to end so that new things can take place. So this situation is going to end, and they are coming with the apology, or they will message you. They will say, hi Aquarius, what's up, where are you? But they are coming towards you, Aquarius. There is some kind of message which will you receive. Maybe you will receive some phone call, but there is a page of cup is here. Okay, message is here. They are keeping tabs on you here. I'm having page of swords, and there is 7 of cups. Maybe they were having lot of options to choose here. Okay, but they were stuck on you. They were having an eye on you. Basically, they were keeping tabs on you. They were spying online about what my Aquarius are doing. Okay, they were having an eye on you. That's the message I'm getting. And here I'm having the Fool and the Sun. Okay, and whenever I got Moon and the Sun, I prefer this reading as soulmate. Okay, this is someone who is your soulmate, Aquarius, who is your twin flame, who is your soulmate, because this combination tells me that this is your soulmate. 0404 was the recording reading time. They want to take a leap of faith with you. They want to start a new happy beginnings. There is a lot of new happy beginnings which is going to take place, but there is some kind of 7 of swords energy, lying, cheating, manipulation. Okay, mind games, this is an energy. And there is Ace of Swords, and there is 10 of Wands, and there is Queen of Swords. So you already know this truth, that there is something which is hidden from you. There is some kind of deception, there is some kind of cheating, lying, manipulation, mind games. Okay, you have that clarity, Aquarius. This is not a situation where you don't have clarity. You have that clarity inside of you. Okay, you know the truth here. That's why you are holding back from this person Four of Pentacle is here. Maybe you are having lot of conflicts with this person. Five of Swords. There is lot of conflicts which was happening with this person, but there is some kind of karmic justice which is going to serve in your case, okay? Then there is Hangman, there is Ten of Swords, and there is Eight of Wands. So they are feeling like an hangman, okay? They are feeling like an hangman. They don't know what to do, and there is completion here. 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands. There is no 11, and there is lot of communication which is coming for you. Bottom of the deck I'm having Knight of Wands, okay? Then there is Five of Pentacles, okay? Either you left out this person in cold, or this person left out you in cold, but what I'm getting is that this person left you out in the cold, okay? They left you out in the cold, okay? Because this is a energy of a player kind of energy, energy who cannot commit, okay? They cannot sit at one place. They will come in your life, they will play with your emotions, and they will ghost you again. So this is that kind of energy, but you are using your intuitions here. High Priestess is here. So now let's start your clarification. See, I just cut, and what I got again, Page of Cup. They will approach you with a message of saying sorry, Aquarius, something like that, but some kind of message is coming towards you, Aquarius. So let's start your clarification. Okay, let's see what are the clarification of this message. Let's see. Please help me out to do the clarification. Why there is Six of Cups? Clarify Six of Cups. Clarify Six of Cups. The Strength. So they are keeping their strength with you. They're gaining the confidence here. Bottom of the deck I'm having the Sun, the King of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Page of Swords, and wow, the Queen of Pentacle. See, I told you are dealing with your soulmate. Okay, so they want new happy beginnings with you, Aquarius, but they are feeling restricted, stuck here. They want to start a new happy beginning with you. The Sun card is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Here, this is someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded, but they are stuck. They are feeling restricted. That's why there is an Hangman here too. They are unable to move in a forward direction. They are, trapped in their own mind thoughts. Okay. Again, the Page of Swords is here. They're keeping tabs on you. Either you are spying, but this is the thing which tells me that they are spying on you. They're keeping tabs on you, that what my Aquarius is doing. And here I'm having Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle. Both the power couple is here. So they are keeping the strength with you, Aquarius. They're gaining the strength here to approach you basically. That's why. Clarify Moon. Why there is Moon? King of Pentacle. This person was juggling a lot here. The Two of Pentacles. They were unable to make a decision. Why there is Moon? Knight of Cups and Queen of Wands. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious, I can say, and they want to give you a lot of love here. Again, Knight of Cup is here. They want to give you a lot of love. Okay, and Knight of Cup is someone who is very romantic, very very loyal, very caring. This person is someone who is very maybe financially stable, grounded. They know how to manage his finances, and they see you as very mysterious. That's the word I'm getting here. Okay, they see you as someone who is very mysterious. Okay, see, maybe you are having a lot of conflicts with you. This person, Five of Swords is here. Clarify me the World card. Wow, I told you. The Page of Cup and the King of Wands. See, King of Wands and Queen of Wands. This is your this is someone who is your soulmate. I told you in the beginning only. This is someone who is your twin flame or your soulmate. This is the divinely guided relationship. They're coming with the apology. They're coming with a apology or something like that. Page of cup is here. You will receive some kind of message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having nine of wands, and you are not, you know, giving up. You're standing your ground. You are standing in, holding a wand in the hand and saying that I'm not giving up. I'm still standing straight, and I'm very, you know, having a lot of confidence. I cannot give up. You are standing in your own way. Beautiful. Clarify me, lovers. The Chariot and the Seven of Cups. See, again the Seven of Cups and Chariot is here. So this person was having lot of options, or you both were having lot of options to choose, but now they want to move in a forward direction with you, Aquarius. They know what is black and what is white. Okay, can you see? They were having lot of options to choose, but now they want to move in a forward direction. The Chariot is here. Clarify strength. Clarify why there is strength. That's the judgment which is being made here by the divine. They are making a judgment. Ten of Cups. They want to spend their whole life with you. Happy life, happily ever after. 1122 was the recording reading time. Happy life, happy family, happily ever after. Beautiful energy is here. Okay, they keeping their strength with you. They making a judgment for themselves that I want to spend my whole life. I want to create a family with this person. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having Five of Swords. Why they're keeping strength? Because they were having lot of, you know, conflicts with you. Here I'm having again Six of Cups. This person is someone from your past. Okay, this is not a new energy. Clarify death card. King of Cups. Lot of cards. No. Okay, death card. Ten of Wands and the King of Cups. Clarify. Hierophant. Right now maybe you are unable to see. Again, bottom of the deck I'm having Five of Pentacles and Six of Cups. This is someone who left you out in cold. Okay, this person left you out in the cold, and now they are releasing all the burdens which they were having. See, Ten of Wands is here. Ten of Wands. King of Cups, Hierophant. Either you are committed to this person or you were married to this person, Aquarius. Right now maybe you are unable to see because this is Knight of Pentacle. This is the slowest energy in the tarot deck, but they will come towards you, Aquarius. Maybe you are looking that they will not come. Okay, maybe you are thinking like that because this is the slowest energy, but they will come, Aquarius. They will come. Either you are married to this person, Hierophant is here, or you were committed to this person for long period of time. Okay, clarify me, Page of Cups. I told you that this is your match. This is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is someone who is your soulmate. Four of Swords and King of Swords. You were doing your healing. Can you see? Your partner was looking towards you that what my Aquarius are up to and what my Aquarius are doing, and they know the truth. Okay, King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, and you are doing you are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself, you are taking care of yourself, you are healing your heart, you are doing that. Can you see? This was your position, this was your situation, and they know this truth. They know that you are doing your healing, you are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself. They know this truth. And here I'm having King of Swords and Queen of Swords, both I am having. Okay, clarify me, Seven of Cups. Again, Six of Cups. This person is from your past, death and rebirth. Two of Wands. They are at the crossroads, Aquarius. What they are going to make a decision. Okay, they are making a decision. They are at the crossroads here. Can you see? And again, bottom of the deck, I'm having death card. Whatever situation is happening right now, maybe if they were not committed to you in the past, now they are going to get commitment. Okay, now they are going to give you commitment. Okay, this person is from your past here. Six of Cup is here. Clarify me, Page of Swords. Hangman again. I told you they're feeling like an hangman. They're feeling restricted. They're unable to move in a forward direction. Hangman is here. But they want to give a new happy beginning here. The Sun card. They want to create new happy beginning with you. Okay. But they don't know how to do because they're feeling like an hangman. Clarify me, Fool. Five of Pentacles. Wow. They left you out in the cold in the past, but now they want to take a leap of faith with you. Okay? They left you out in the cold in the past. They left you, but now they want to take a leap of faith with you. In you, with you. Okay? Clarify me the Sun. Clarify me the Sun. Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands. What a clarification. And Knight of Wands again. That's why there is Sun. Okay. You are holding back from this person here. You are not giving. Again, Four of Pentacle is here. Here I'm having Four of Pentacle. Okay. Four of Pentacle and Four of Pentacle. Can you see how this girl is holding this purse to the chest, close to the chest? You are not giving any energy to this person. You are not opening up this person, but this is your twin flame, your soulmate. Four of Wands. They want marriage commitment here with you. Beautiful here, something with you. But this is someone who is a player kind of energy. Again, the Knight of Wands is here. This is someone who cannot give you commitment, okay? And they are hoping for new hopes and new desires. The Star card is here. They're hoping for new hopes, new desires. Can you tell me why there is Seven of Swords? What is sneaky, lying, cheating? Page of Swords. Clarify me, Seven of Swords. Page of Swords, Eight of Pentacle, Queen of Cups, Moon, and the Seven of Wands. So you were putting a lot of efforts, energy, time in this relationship, and there were some kind of secrets which was hidden from you. The Moon is here again, and now you are being very defensive here. Okay, you are not opening up. Please open up, Aquarius, because this can be self-sabotaging. Yeah, that's the message I'm getting for you. You are not ready to open up. Okay, you are not ready to open up. You are protecting your aura. You know that there are some secrets, emotions which are hidden from you, and they are keeping tabs on you. Here I'm again, Page of Swords is here. Maybe there is a third party situation here. The Three of Pentacle is here, and third party can be anything. Okay, anything like friends, family, work, any addiction, anything can be a third party between you and this person. But this person is your, can you see here I'm having King of Cup and Queen of Cup. Again a power couple here. This is your twin flame, your soulmate, I can say that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Clarify, Ace of Swords. Wow. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. They want to create abundance of everything with you. Okay. And they have that clarity in, again, the Star. There is some kind of toxicity which is attached to this person. Okay, again, see. Oh my God, Aquarius, they break your heart many times in the past. Three of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and you know this truth. That's why there was a And after this separation, you went into hermit mode here. You were doing your soul searching, and after you were enjoying your singlehood, you get to know that you are single, happy, abundant in your own way. They broke your heart many times. Yeah, right. You are using your intuitions. You were using your intuitions. They broke your heart many times. That's why. There was some kind of third party situation. Clarify me, Ten of Wands. Why there is Ten of Wands? Queen of Swords. This is you. 1 minute, I will show you like this. Ten of Wands has been clarified by Queen of Swords. This is you. You are releasing all the burdens which has been carrying on your shoulders here, because Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Aquarius, okay? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Let me clarify more. Clarify Queen of Swords. The Fool. Clarify clarify Queen of Swords. Please help me out to clarify Wheel of. Why I'm saying Wheel of Fortune? Okay, clarify me Queen of Swords. Clarify Queen of Swords. Fool, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Swords, bottom of the deck. Either you are unable to make a decision, or they are unable to make a decision, but there is a decision which has been made here. The Two of Swords and the Fool. Okay, you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, and you have to make a decision here, Aquarius, but you are unable to make a decision here. You are manifesting. 2211 was the recording reading time. Magician, the Sun. Okay, you are manifesting new beginnings, new happy beginnings, but you are unable to make a decision here. When they come, you are unable to make a decision. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius, and that's the karmic justice which is being made in your case. Justice, Knight of Swords. They are coming towards you, they are rushing towards you, they are running towards you. And you were manifesting new happy beginnings. Okay, here. But now you are unable to make a decision here. You are unable to make a decision here. Indecisionness is here. They want to take a leap of faith with you, and they are at the crossroads. But you are unable to make a decision, or they are unable to make a decision. But what I'm getting is you are unable to make a decision, and you have to make a decision for yourself, Aquarius. You are at the crossroads. Clarify me Four of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Lovers. That's why you are holding back. You are holding back from this person because this person break your heart many times in the past. Three of Swords is something which is, heartbreaks, heartaches. They broke your trust. Again, the Lovers is here. That's why you were doing your healing here. Can you see? Four of Swords. After this heartbreak, you were doing your healing. You were doing your healing basically. That's why you are holding back from this person, because you are enjoying your singlehood. You are thinking that I am happy alone. Okay, I am abundant in my own way. Okay, rather than being with this person, they broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation. And I'm not going to open up with this person. That's why you are holding back. Clarify me Five of Swords. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having World card again. Here. Nine of Cups. Either this person is your wish fulfillment, or you are the wish fulfillment for them. Yeah, right. Clarify me Justice. Clarify justice. Wow. Eight of Wands. That communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Swords here, okay? 10 of Swords, 10 of Swords. There is a completion, that's why there is World card here. Okay, lot of communication is coming towards you, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case here. Let me know in the comment section if you're having communication with this person, but communication is coming towards you. And see, World card again. You are closing out a karmic cycle which you need to complete with this person. Why there is Hangman? See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Tower. This is the divine intervention. Something is happening in your life because of this divine intervention. Two of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles here. You are standing your ground. You are not giving up. You are being very defensive. And this person is, either you are not taking decision. You are not making a decision. You are standing your ground. And that's why they are feeling like an hangman. Because this is the word I'm getting, that you are not ready to make a solution. Okay, you are not ready to make a solution because this person has break your trust many times before. This person breaks your heart many times before. That's why this time you are unable to make a decision. Okay, you are standing your ground. Your defenses are high. See, this just want to come out. I was going to take the clarification for 10 of Swords. Justice and the 6 of Wands. You are getting karmic justice, Aquarius. And you will get success, recognition, victory. Okay. They are juggling a lot. Okay. They are feeling very sad, remorse or guilt. Whatever things were happened in the past. They are feeling very regret. Okay. Clarify 8 of Wands. They are having an idea. See, Ace of Wands and again Knight of Wands. They are very passionate towards you, Aquarius. Lot of wand energy is here. They are very passionate towards you. They are having a thoughts about you in their mind. You ignite the passion inside of them. Clarify me, and you will come towards calmer waters. Clarify me, 8 of Wands. Magician. They are manifesting you. They are manifesting you. See, they're coming towards you. There is 4 of Cups. They're feeling that you will reject their offer. They are feeling that you will reject their offer. You will not accept the cup. But please see how colorful this cup is, Aquarius. Okay. They're manifesting you, but they are thinking that you will not accept the cup with them. Yeah, you are taking the energy of Hermit. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having High Priestess. Use your intuitions. You are doing your soul searching. You're doing your inner work, and that's beautiful. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Let's see what is the advice for Aquarius for this reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me what is the advice for Aquarius. The Moon. What is the advice for Aquarius? No, I'm not going to take this card. Clarify. 5 of Pentacles. The Hermit. The Queen of Pentacles. The 4 of Wands. Okay. This person left you out in the cold. Knight of Pentacle again is there right now, maybe, and that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Bottom of the deck again, I'm having the Judgment. Okay, so yeah, this person left you out in the cold here. There were some secrets or hidden emotions which was there. Okay, they left you out in the cold, and after this person left you out in cold, you went into hermit mode here. Again, the Hermit is here. Hermit and the Hermit. You went into hermit mode. You start searching, you start doing your soul searching about what your soul is requiring. Okay, they see you as Queen of Pentacle is here, Four of Wands and Knight of Pentacle. They are coming towards you, Aquarius. Maybe right now you are unable to see here because there is, this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck, Knight of Pentacle here, but they are coming. Okay, Knight of Pentacle is here. They are coming towards you. They're coming in a very slow pace. They're coming at a very slow pace. Your defenses are very high. You're protecting yourself. And that's the judgment which is being made in the case. Wow. Wow. The justice. This is a third. From my all decks, I am getting justice. And that's the karmic justice here which is being served in your case. Justice is served in your case, Aquarius. Justice, justice, and the justice from all the decks. Beautiful. They want to move in a forward direction here. The Princess of Pentacle and the Chariot is here again. The Chariot and the Chariot. Now they want to move in a forward direction with you, Aquarius. So yeah, this was your reading for Feb 2021. Okay, Aquarius, try to make solution. Okay, you know better than me, I can say that. Okay, if the relationship is healthy, try to sort out with communication. Sit back and talk with your partner if they are ready to give you commitment. If your intuition is trying to give, is trying to tell you to give a chance to this person, you can. That's your decision, your life, your situation, because I am not knowing what is your exact situation, but this person is coming towards you. That's what I am getting. Okay, and this is something on which the divine is taking care of. Okay, the divine is guiding this relationship. This was your reading for Feb, and this is your divine counterpart, because there were a lot of power couples here. There are all power couples, I can say that, except Emperor and the Empress. But I was having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, and King of Swords and Queen of Swords. So there were 3 power couples here which I was seeing. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading for Feb 2021. Sending you lots of love and light to all my happily beautiful magical beings, Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.